Today we're going to be making tacos dorados de papa, which translates to deep fried potato tacos, and they are absolutely delicious. Let's go. So I have 2 large russet potatoes that I'm just peeling and cutting into large chunks. And then I'm going to place them into a small pot. Did you know this little trick where you can just hook the lid onto the pot? Pretty cool, huh? So make sure you start with cold water and then go ahead and bring that to a boil until the potatoes are softened. So I had 2 tablespoons of butter and about half a cup of diced onion. If you have picky eaters like my kids, then you can just do onion powder instead. The potatoes have softened. I drained all the water and then go ahead and mash them directly into the pan. I lowered the heat and then just make sure you get all the potatoes smashed, season it with some salt and pepper, and then to create them, to have them stick together, I need a binder. So I'm adding some sour cream. At this point, I turn the heat off, add the sour cream, and then it's gonna get nice and sticky, and then let that cool. For the corn tortillas, I just wrap them in a damp paper towel and then put them in the microwave just until they get warm and soft. This will prevent them from breaking while we deep fry our tortillas. So the potato mixture has cooled, and then I'm just gonna do about 2 tablespoons of the mashed potato mixture right in the middle of the tortilla. Fold it in half, and then you want to press it down to kind of create a seal. Make sure the mashed potatoes don't extend past the outside of the taco, because then it's going to spill out when we deep fry them. So here you can see one more time, I just added the potato filling right in the center, and then I am flattening out, but just make sure you don't go past the edge of the taco. Once all of your tacos are folded, go ahead and heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then cook them until they get golden on each side. This right there looks absolutely perfect. And then I like to drain them on a wire baking sheet, or you can do some paper towels. And then just keep frying them until all the tacos dorados are done. I like to do this right before we're gonna eat them because they taste best right after deep frying them. Just look at that beautiful color. And then we're going to make a simple tomato sauce. I'm just cutting the top of the tomato right where the stem is. I'm just marking it with an X. Place it into a pot of water, and then we're going to bring that to a boil. I let these simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see the tomato skin is already coming apart. Go ahead and drain it, allow them to cool so you can handle them, and then right here you can see the skin is just peeling off super easily. If you want to cut off the stem, you can go ahead and do that, and then just go ahead and place the peeled tomatoes in a blender. You don't need to add any liquid. I am adding a little bit of salt. You could also do some oregano, and if you want them spicy, then you can also add a jalapeno and then blend it all together for the tomato salsa. Our tacos dorados de papa are done frying, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to serve them. So the first way is how my husband, I guess, grew up eating them, is where you kind of open the taco. And once the taco is open, you add a little bit of sour cream. And then we're going to add a little bit of lettuce and some of the tomato sauce. Some queso fresco. This cheese is so good, and some radishes. But this is one way to eat it, and now I'm going to show you another way, which is, I guess, more like a tostada. So I'm going to have my tacos dorados de papa right here. So just go ahead and drizzle the tomato sauce right on top. I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream, some shredded lettuce, radishes, and the queso fresco. Okay, so this would be the second way to serve the tacos dorados. Time for the best part. I've been waiting to try these. The mashed potato filling, it's so simple, so delicious though. Tomato sauce gives it a little bit of moisture, and then you have the salty cheese and the crispy lettuce. Give this recipe a try for tacos dorados de papa or fried potato tacos. They are absolutely delicious. Be sure to check out my video for the picadillo tacos. You can also do the ground meat filling as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay tuned till next time. Bye.